Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. XXX Demon. Full story. A young lady had a dream one night, and the Lord opened her eyes. There are demons watching our every move, waiting on us to sleep to have their way with us. One day, she decided to watch XXX videos. She got a WhatsApp call, and while talking, fell in a deep sleep. She woke up in a dream to a man in his birthday suit. The man-like figure was so tall, gentle, and was so big. Every time she tried to look up to see its face, the thing became more aggressive and would try to fight her. She started to scream so hard, but no one could hear her. She was screaming in silence. The demon smacked her hard in her face, trying to bend her head downwards so she wouldn't see its face. She pleaded the blood of Jesus so hard and yelled, "Jesus, help me," 3 times, then the demon let her go. She woke up with severe pains where she was smacked in her face and behind her neck too. She deleted that XXX off her phone and started to pray like never before. She rebuked the spirit of sexual immorality. Looking at those things invited a demon, and it came through the spiritual realm and had its way with her. She believes strongly that demons have ways to make a person feel seduced, to make them feel like pleasing themselves. During the act, they gain the legal rights to enter the physical realm to have their way.
Like and follow for more.